Okay, so we got Leo wiring the LEDs for the CVO. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to properly route the LED wires. That way you don't have a big bald mess by the battery, which we normally see. So this bike is completely wired. We have an LED strip under each bag. We have a extension, so if he adds a tour pack later on, we don't have to take it apart, so the extension plugs in directly behind the battery. We have the gas tank lit up on each side, so it shines down completely on the motor. And then we have one in the center of the crash bar shining down on the front wheel. So we were able to wire the entire bike, and you can't tell there's anything on it because it's all super neat. If you map out the wiring prior to the install and you put the T-harnesses in the right spot and you lay your wiring out, you don't end up with a giant balled up mess. You can actually distribute the wires evenly, and then you can cut, solder, and extend whatever you need to. On this one, we didn't have to cut and solder. We just used the T-harnesses that came in the kit, and we were able to lay it out properly and evenly without having any leftover slack. Check this out. So there's the one that goes on the bag rail. Wire goes up this tube. There's a quick disconnect. There's the extra harness is going to go to the tour pack, and there's one for the other side. Then we have the controller behind this cover. There's the T-harness. Then it goes up the backbone and under. See? Nice, tidy, laid out. We have our battery connection wires and fuses. So this goes on the positive. Here's the negative. So no balled up mess of wires. You're gonna see in a second when we get it back together, but everything looks factory under the seat. Hit the brake, Leo. Let go of the brake. Hit the brake, Leo. Let go. NVS Audio color changing LED kit. When you hit the brake, it overrides the colors and turns all red. Hit the brake, Leo.